Hi everyone, I just wanted to explain our honors seminar to you. So this is our welcome page. If you click the getting started, I kind of tell you the word processors and information that you need. This is also listed on our Blackboard where it says start here. Blackboard is where you'll complete all your work. These are the things that you need to have. And remember that the work for all of each week will be due Friday by 11:59 p.m. Vincent's time. Please remember to check your email daily, as I also might give you some updates. If there are changes in this deadline, I will let you know beforehand. Our textbook is this leadership book. This is a humanities course, so we're actually studying civilization. Blackboard, this is like a link to how to log on, and there's a help button. This is also on Blackboard when you get there. Student hours, it says 10 to 10:50, but it'll actually be Mondays from 9 o'clock to 9:50. The units of study are here, and they are also listed on Blackboard. The course policies. So attendance is huge in any course. It's, that age-old adage that you get out what you put in. So honestly, please make sure that you complete your assignments on time. If that's an issue, please let me know and I'll work with you. If you're consistently having problems getting things turned in, then absolutely let me know, and it might be time for you to drop the course. Remember that the VU attendance policy is you can miss 2 times the class. So 2 weeks of classes you will be dropped on the 7th absence. Assignments, again, try to turn them in. If there's an issue, let me know, make up work. There is some leeway there, and we can talk about it if that's an issue, but I'm really not anticipating that's an issue for my honors students. Communication. The best way to communicate with me if you have a quick question is phone. That's my cell phone number from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can text me or call me. Sometimes that's the best way to get a hold of me. And basically, I just don't want you to be frustrated. Just go ahead and reach out to me so that we can find a solution as soon as possible. I give you some pointers on how to succeed. Distance education is really a self-motivation. You need to log into Blackboard. You need to get your assignments done. It can kind of become a vicious circle if you are behind on work. Check your email often. Communicate with me as soon as there's an issue. Please let me know so that we can find a solution together. Check your grades often. I'm human. I could make a mistake. Please let me know if that happens. Manage your time carefully. And then just keep adjust on that deadline. And remember that not participating will result from you being dropped from the course at a 0% tuition adjustment. That means that you're not going to get your money back. So please make sure that you do that. Any help with the writing can be held at the Writing Center. Here's a link to that, and it's located in Surecliff E229. This is a list of help. So there's academic support that takes you to a list of tutoring on campus. You can also have an online option. If life gets overwhelming and you just need someone to talk to, the Counseling Center is at your disposition. It is free and confidential. No one need know that you've ever attended. If there's an issue with food insecurity, please click that link under a list of food pantries in our area. And accommodations, if you have a diverse ability, know that it doesn't transfer directly from high school, but you need to go to this office so that you can have the accommodations that you need. And there's a link here. And then my information, I've introduced myself. Luckily, I've met all of you, so that's a good thing. And then I kind of just talk about our responsibilities. So both of our responsibilities, I kind of see them as the same. We both need to be present. We need to be prepared, kind, flexible within the confines of the university, available, responsive, and I will extend grace to you, and I ask that you to have patience with me and extend me some grace. But I hope that we have fun along the way. Again, this is my first year as director, my first year teaching this course, so we will both learn along the way. You will have opportunities for feedback. Please complete that survey so that I can get to know you. Please complete any surveys as far as feedback, so can I adjust the course to meet your needs. I'm looking forward to meeting with you all, and I will see you very soon.